Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a roleplay of Snowstorm. So yeah, let's get started. This short is so funny. And TikTok short. Oh my god, I'm so stupid girl. Anyways. Okay, let me just go check on her. Sweetie, why are you not sleeping? Okay, anyways, there's a snowstorm coming, so we have to go to the shop to get supplies. But it's like 3 a.m. Why? Because I said so. Anyway, the snowstorm is not here yet, so it'll come like in like 5 hours. Yeah, no, 2 hours. So you only have like 30 minutes to get ready while everyone else is ready. You didn't tell me first. Oh my god. Sorry. You don't have to give me the attitude. Anyways. So, yeah, bye. Oh, a snowstorm? Seriously? I don't care less. I just want to stay at home. Like, girl, let me stay at home. Clothes! Okay. Let's see what I'm going to wear. Okay. Should I wear this? Nah. I mean, it's pretty cold outside, so I'll wear something warm. There's literally nothing good. Oh, this one is cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this because who's gonna be at the shop at like 3 a.m. So, whatever. Anyways, let me just take my face mask off. I'll just wear this as an accessory, so yeah. I'm ready. Ding. Okay, oh my god. Okay, let's go. Mommy, I want juice and boba. I want juice and boba. I like juice and boba. I want juice and boba. Okay, can you shut up? No, okay. We have no juice and boba right now. Our fridge is literally has nothing in it. So, yeah. So, yeah. Plus, you can get juice at the store. Like, Oh, guys, and the dad went to an island. The island was to never come back. That was the name of the island. So, yeah, there's like lots of milk there. So he went to get that. And, I kinda ate him. So, yeah. He might be coming this roleplay when I poop him out, but I don't know. Anyways, let's get into the roleplay. I mean, whatever! Help, what happened to the slow-mo mark I decorated? That took like so freaking long. Oh my god, I'm gonna decorate in 1 sec. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, it's done. Okay, we're here, guys. Okay, oop. Sorry about that. Okay, let's just get a cart. I want okay, can you shut up? I want juice and boba. I like juice and boba. Shut up. Okay, let's get the trolley. I want that baby trolley. No, you're not getting that. What? Got it. Okay, let's go. Whoa, there's lots of people over here. Whatever, it's fine. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Ding. Oh, girl. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, so let's see from here. We can have. What should we have for dinner? We can have meat for dinner. Jason also likes Ooh. Jason also likes steak. He didn't come with us because he was too lazy not getting his butt out of the bed. Whatever, it's fine. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you will, and Jason will. So we, Claire and I will have, what do you want? I can have this. I forgot the name, sorry. Okay, I'll just get some squid because I love squid. So, yeah, that's for dinner. Okay, let's go here. There's peaches. Okay, whatever. Oh, there's the viral things here. I need to get all of them. Oh, there's some salad. I'm gonna get that. Oh, there's only one left. Obviously, chicken nuggets. Do you want chicken nuggets, guys? No, not at all. I just want juice and baba. Okay, I want nuggies. Okay, whatever. Okay, we already got nuggies. Okay, so I'll get a peach because I love peaches. So, yeah. Well, the candy aisle is packed. Everyone moves away. Oh. Because they're like basically celebrities. So, yeah. Okay, yay, everybody moved. For candy, I'm gonna get this. Oh, sorry guys. So for that, I'm gonna get for candies, I'm gonna get all of these. And that's it. So, yeah. Ooh. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, this stuff. Okay, so these are the candies I got. Ava, do you want candies? Fine. I'll get candies. I'm not forcing you to. Anyways, just stand there. Okay, move. Okay, I'm gonna get all of these. Oh, these peach ones are good. Anyways, that's it. Okay, well, that's a lot, but who cares? Who cares? Anyways, so should we go? There. I like juice and boba. We know you do. Jackpots. I'm gonna get this. You cannot steal my boba. Okay, let me get that. We didn't pay for that. I don't care. Anyways, let me just get that. And that's boba. So, I'm just gonna put it in the cart. And I'm gonna hold one just in case no one drinks it. Girl, ain't nobody drinking your boba. Guys, for now, Kayla's gonna be in my secret lair because, I don't wanna move her around. Ooh, there's also juice. No juice. Yes, juice. Shut up. Did you just shut up? Oh my god, I see. Get all of that. Yay! Ooh. Oh, Mom, look, there's fizzy drink. You're not getting it. Please, I'm so older from the kids now. I'm a teenager. Fine, but only this once. Yay! And I'm just gonna get fizzy drink. Anyways, I got the fizzy drink. I don't think you have to go up because we already got like lots of stuff. Do you have milk at home? No. Okay, then let's go up. Let's not talk about that. Oh my god, there's no lights up here. I'm too lazy to put lights, so pretend it's like dark. Okay, they literally turned into plushies. Like, can you stop? Boca, boca. Okay, let's go. There's so many cool things up here. This boba, 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 boba. No boba more. I want boba still. Then we're gonna need another trolley. I don't care. I'm gonna get another trolley. I like this and boba. 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 Can you shut up now? What about the background noise? My mom is watching a movie. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna get. Oh my god, this thing, I don't wanna destroy it or something, whatever. Anyways, let's. Oh, I want strawberry milk. Okay. Anyways, so there's lemon juice. Oh my god, pink lemonade. Give that to me, young lady. Don't call me that, girl. You're younger than me. Anyways, I'm gonna get lemonade. I'm just gonna hold it. I need another trolley. I'm gonna skip forward to when they bought all the stuff. Okay, we're here, guys. I can see that. Don't give me an attitude. I like juice and boba. Okay, let's go in until she says juice and boba. Like, let's just go in. Oh, we need to get a little bit of water. Anyways, oh no, the snowstorm is coming in 10 minutes. We need to get to safety. We need to go in the area of the house that has no windows. So let's go. This place doesn't have any windows. Mom, the elevator. Oh yeah, right. We should go in the elevator before it like crashes or something. Mom, don't scare us. I'm not. The snowstorm is not coming in like 3 minutes. It's actually gonna come in like 20 minutes. So yeah. Okay, we're here, Jason. We cannot get out of the elevator. Only Claire could and okay. So oopsies. We're home. Oh, cool. Are you brought groceries? Well, I just got takeout. Boy, you're grounded for an hour. Actually, for 2 days. Now go to your room. Oh my god, fine. Sorry, it's like so zoomed in. I don't know why. Ooh. Never mind. I'll have it zoomed in. That's much better. I'll have the iPad more close. Yeah, that's better. Sorry about that. Anyways, so I'm just gonna make food. So first I'm gonna make my squid. Guys, I don't know how to make like squid. I think we wash it. Okay, let me just wash the squid and make it. Fast forward to the dinner being ready. Okay guys, eat fast because the snowstorm is about to come and we have to like go somewhere where there is no windows. I don't think there's any windows in my room. Yeah, right, you have a balcony. Well, it can be locked and it's like really good lock. But I feel like upstairs has like the most less windows, so we can be up there. You know what? I agree, we can be up there, but we have to find a room to be in. Yeah, let's just eat. Bears. Okay, let's go upstairs. Bring all of your like stuff up there. Don't bring your dishes up there though. Jason, you have to come upstairs. Okay. they all go upstairs. I love that crumpet. It was so cute. But yeah. Stop this glitch. Where's her hands coming? Why is she a plushie again? Why is his hands on his neck or something? Okay, here. No. I'll get this and get the water. Let's check in my room. The bathroom has a window up there. My room has no windows except for a balcony, but it locks like pretty good. And this glass is like really, really thick. I guess you're right. We can be in there. Okay, I guess. Wow. Did you not bring your phone? I usually only like play games on my computer. Like, the mom locks all of the doors. Let me just move that, and I'll wear this. Put that there, that there, and I'll have this. Oh my god, I love my purse downstairs, and my phone is in it. Oh, mine too. Okay, let's just get the cats. Mimi and what was your name again? Cloudy. I am gonna have a cat named Mittens. So she's Mitten now. And if another roleplay girl's like name is like cat's name is Mittens, I didn't like steal their idea because I only watched like very few Toka like roleplays. So yeah. Anyways, let me just put the cats here. Guys, just pretend Claire's using her phone. And she's just sitting here. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding. Sorry, those are candles. Oh no, the light is going out. Ding. Oh, is it still so bright in here? Like, all of them are like closed. Mommy, I'm scared. It's okay, there's no need to be scared. Girl, that's so cringe. I'll be doing none of that. Actually, I can just use my laptop. What was that? I don't know. Breaking news. The snowstorm has ended. There will be nothing coming anytime soon. So you can go around, just don't get out of your house because there's probably very much snow outside. So, yeah.